Hi guys, Tiago here. Welcome back or welcome. And if that's the case, let me tell you, we do unboxings and tech reviews of cool tech, like this one today. If this is something that interests you, please consider subscribing, leave a thumbs up in this video and share it all around. With this said, let's start the review of the Apex toothbrush. Starting with the price, the Apex toothbrush has a price tag of $59.99. Like always, I will leave links in the video description. Please check them up for best price and product information. Before we move on, I will leave a discount code on the video description as well. Please use it for best price. The unboxing experience is great, and you will see from the beginning that you are getting a premium toothbrush. The box is well made, with the toothbrush in the front and all the information on the back and sides. The box color is on the color of your toothbrush. We have the blue color, but you can have the pink or white as well. When taking the toothbrush from the box, you can feel that you have a premium product on your hand. But let's see what's inside of the box first. You have the Apex Sonic toothbrush handle, one clean brush head, a sensitive brush head, the USB magnetic charging dock, and the manual. Let's see the handle more in detail. Like I said, we have the blue color and looks great with the gold color of the buttons and the ends. At the front, we have the two buttons. The top one is the on and off button that can be used to select the three cleaning intensities: low, medium, and high. Above the button, we have the three LEDs for the intensities. The next button is the cleaning modes. There is 4: clean, polish, white, and gum care. Each one have a LED. At the bottom of the handle, you have the Fosoo Apex branding. At the back, we have a nice texture for better grip. The Apex toothbrush is made of zinc alloy, and that makes it much better than the plastic toothbrush. It has a longer durability. The Apex toothbrush comes with 2 brush heads. Unlike the handle, they are great quality. Being able to change the brush heads is great for a long-term use. You have a clean brush head and a sensitive, and after using them for a long time, you'll be able to buy more from the Fosoo website. 4 brush heads will cost you $19.99. Let's see some of the specs now. The Apex toothbrush has a metal body. It comes with a 2500 mAh battery. It has 42,000 sonic vibrations per minute. It has a low noise. It has a built-in 2 minutes timer, stopping every 30 seconds. It comes with a charging dock. It has an IPX7 rating, so you can have a shower with your toothbrush. It has 4 cleaning modes. It comes with 2 brush heads and weighs only 170 grams. The Apex Sonic electric toothbrush have 4 modes and, like I said before, 42,000 sonic vibrations per minute with a low noise. Please be the judge on the next sound noise with the 4 cleaning modes: clean, polish, white, and gum care. Right, let's start the testing. The last thing to talk about is the battery life. The Apex toothbrush has a 2500 mAh battery, giving you 180 days of battery life. Yes, you heard me right, 180 days of battery life. So you can keep your charger in your room, for example, and the toothbrush in the bathroom because there's no need of charging the toothbrush all the time. This toothbrush is great for its primary mission, a reliable make, superb layout and fantastic usability, and backed up by a ton of options for cleaning that work. If I had to point out any cons, I would say that the only thing missing is a case for traveling. And that's it guys, this was our review on the Apex Sonic Electric Toothbrush. I hope you guys enjoyed the review, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, now is the right time to do it. Give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends. Thiago here, wishing you a lovely day, and I'll catch you later.